I want to go down to like this side of it or something. Yeah, that's a perfect aspect right there. God damn, that's a clear fucking video. I haven't ever taken a video of this phone yet. Oh, little baby, stick your tongue out again. It's looking at the fucking phone like, what the fuck?
Right.
Oh, thing's cute. I can't believe I almost stepped on that thing, dude. I was like, what the? No, and it was just looking up at me and it chirped a little bit. I was like, huh? And I like went down to it and I was like, oh shit, that's a hummingbird. It like made like a little tiny chirp. I was like, what was that? That's a hummingbird. Oh shit.
Like, is that a bird?
It kept staring at me like, help. Like everywhere I walked away and it like just, I put its head down, it came close and it just like started trying to get up and jump up to me and I was like, I think it has a broken leg though. Because it fell really far.
Yeah, I don't doubt it.
Probably hungry.
It's
We'll get you
probably,
some honey. We'll get you some honey and fucking fruit flies in a little bit.
yeah, let's flatten it out. It's probably like, why am I at an angle so bad?
Yeah, so I'll get us some honey and fruit flies here in a little bit. I just want to get it to the house.
If not hungry, it's probably thirsty or...
Gotta angle the camera down a little bit. Perfect. Well, if it's thirsty, then we got the honey, the nectar and stuff. There's like nectar feed you can get for it and a bunch of other stuff. And my sister is just looking the stuff over, so I'll let her raise it. I mean, she's an animal lover. I love animals, but I don't have time to raise this thing. I don't have time to rehabilitate it and let it fly away, you know?
Hell no, she's got all the time in the world on her hands.
Yeah, she does. Fucking self-employed. She chooses when she wants to work. I don't. I go to work when I have to fucking go to work. I have no choice. Well, I have a choice. I can fucking not go to work and lose my job, taking care of his bird, or I can take it to my sister, let her take care of it, and continue with my life. And just come back and check on it every now and then.
Yeah.
I swear to God, if this thing fucking grows up to be an adult hummingbird, like, it won't leave the house. They do come back a lot. Like, when they leave, they come right back. Generally to your yard. Like, they're pretty good at location. That was so cute. Roll down a little more. Oh, see, yeah, his left foot's fine. It's the right one that I'm worried about.
Yeah, and you really can't see it.
I can see the left foot just fine from there, but I can't see it because the right side's on the other side.
Well, I mean, even if I were to put the camera on the other side.
Oh, is he just like sitting? Is he just
The way he's laying
down
on
on
it.
it? I want to pick the thing. I really didn't want to pick it up with my hands, but I had no choice. I was like, I don't have latex gloves, so I don't have anything, so fuck it. And I wasn't about to try to pick it up in the towel and crush the thing. You see how it was like, it tried to stand up when I tried to like put like my finger under it? It tried to like stand up and go on my finger, but it couldn't.
Yeah.
Like, either its legs just have no strength or it did break its leg. And I'm thinking the right leg's broken because when it pushed up, it like rocked to the right. That dude's a fucking jackass, but I do drive like that from time to time. Yeah. Better stop that fucking tank of a car. It's fucking Lexuses, man. Those things are tanks. You already know. There is no stopping abruptly in those.
Yeah, right.
Well, I'm about to be on empty soon. Just because I'm driving back to the fucking house now. Ow. 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 Why do my hands? That's what it feels like anyways. That's an adorable little thing. I can't wait till it like grows up to be like a teen or something, and it can start to fly.
Yeah.
I really wanted to take it there, but they really don't rehabilitate animals.
Mm-hmm.
Fucking assholes. What do they do? Oh, just let it die. Really?
Sorry, we don't
Call
take
yourself
that.
a veterinarian? Like, fucking ghetto vets, man. They don't fucking do anything that.
Because we found a cat with a broken leg one time, and we tried to take it in, and they would not do anything with it.
They would really.
They wouldn't take it. They didn't. No, they're sorry.
Well, that's probably because it's a stray cat.
Especially when we told them it wasn't our cat either.
I guess
But
you
it's like,
just
come
gotta
on
go
now.
to
It's
more
like
wildlife
it was
focused
like
ones.
it had a collar, but it didn't have a fucking tag on it with anything important on it.
Huh.
So it's like it's not that much of a stray cat if it has a collar on.
That's probably why they wouldn't take it. Because it had a collar. But then again, you know, thinking if they're a vet, they could put something out saying, hey, we have your cat, someone's cat, this is the description. Blah, blah,
Yeah.
blah. And my sister's not home. This bitch.